party of my keys in the ignition. It's just beat. That's what I got on. And everybody, you got drawers on. Yeah, I do. None of y'all business. First and foremost. We ain't got out yet. We just been parking our people. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I got my drink, my two-step. It's on. Get the look good. Tell my friends, come on.
Oh my God, what's the Christmas like?
All the ghetto niggas pulling up. I don't put the pads on maybe. And let me just say this. This girl in her hair snow boots on. Yeah, some of y'all from other states might not understand, but we're in Texas. It's 85 degrees, baby. Baby, it's hot. Baby, we can jump in the pool. Baby, the girl got snow boots on. She ready. You know what I'm saying? She needs to move up north. You know what I'm saying? Because, baby, that ain't it. And then she been having them for a couple of years. Not this year. She didn't just bomb and she wanted to wear them real bad. Meanwhile, I feel like these people in there is wretched and I'm not gonna be cute for them, so I'm out here changing my shoes into these sandals. I mean, they cute. Stop playing. I'm still gonna be better than them, but no. I mean, the birthday girl, she got like a sequence dress on, but she clearly changed her shoes because she got some flats on. But the people she invited is like car clubs and stuff like that. Baby, no, cause I could have worn my J's that I had on earlier. Stop playing with me. Oh.
Make you bust before I ever meet you. If you don't hate, then you can't bang. I will make you bust before I ever meet you. If you don't hate, then you can't bang. I just fuck your bitch. That's some Gucci flip.
So we're making canes. So we got the chicken breast trimmed and ready. I don't know what bread they use, so we're just gonna try this because I can cut it the way I want to and it's gonna give it that same shape. We got the crinkle fries, and this is how you make the sauce. I will put the ingredients or how the measurements. I'll put the measurements on the screen. Okay, and it's good too, y'all. I did my thing. I ain't gonna lie.
Alright, y'all, so today we're gonna be turning this chicken wings from Walmart into some canes. sauce.
First, we're gonna turn the chicken wings. It's not chicken wings, and you said you're gonna turn it to some cane sauce. Anyway, I thought I was getting the same chicken I already had.
All you gotta do is cut this.
I know, but it's different. Shut. Anyway, I thought I was getting the same chicken, but it's okay. We can make it with this up. Alright, got the chicken cut up. Well, the pack that wasn't cut up. Okay, I don't know why I didn't use a cutting board or a butter knife. Okay, don't talk about me. Keep it going, keep it going. Hey y'all, it is Saturday night, the night before Halloween. This is what I got on. Y'all can't see what I got on, but your girl cute. Y'all know. About to go to my sister's birthday dinner. She's having a birthday dinner at Gloria's. Yeah, so I'm on my way. We have to turn up. We have to turn it up. You know what I'm saying? Turn it up a little bit. Somebody mentioned something about a big duck. Look at this duck. What the heck? Okay, you guys, I'm here. Y'all can't really see what I got on, but maybe I'll take a picture. Maybe somebody will take my picture. Maybe not. But y'all get it. Oh, y'all get it. Stop playing.
Oh, you're cool. Yeah, let me get some, I have lime on it. Birthday, Artie.
First of all, he don't know what's going on. The dude is confused.
All for you?
One right here, too, right?
Y'all like to okay. Yeah, I was confused. I was like, what are you talking about?
A pile of flowers.
Then he called me racist. Because we got on the television. Like, oh, you a fuck with a white girl? I said, fuck you already. You said you're racist.
Yeah, definitely. It seems that way.
I'm not racist, but I don't know. I'll give Brittany $5 if she take that. Ooh, do y'all see the girl basket? If she take that girl basket and run.
Oh, she went to the bathroom.
She went into the glorious.
I'm not doing it.
If she
That's
take,
fun.
if she take, just gonna put it down there. Home this basket. If she take this basket and run, baby, I told her I give her $5 because, but I don't know if I want to give her $5. But I know she ain't gonna do it. Look at her, she wet. Cause you scared. Because scared she gonna get beat up. Karma.
Somebody might take my basket one day if I.
God. Hey yo. Oh, no. You scared.
She probably got an alarm system and all type of shit on there.
She gave him a blanket, child. Oh, not that he looking at it like this ain't the kind I like. This all I had, boo-boo. That's all I had. Okay, you guys, so we're leaving Gloria's. We are going to this club. They're having a Halloween party, even though we're not dressed up for a Halloween party, like, but it's cool though. I can be going at Smay's house. So that's like 8 minutes away. I think they said 8 minutes. I don't know. It could be less. We'll see. So yeah, I guess I'll see y'all when I get there, right? Okay. Little haul. So Bryson said I got him from a couple of winter things and some t-shirts. So this is from H&M and this is from Children's Place. Like, got everything else. Okay, this is from Oshkosh. That's the one. And then it's a blue one. And then with the pants. And then this is from H&M. I think that Mickey Mouse and the green is so cute. I think that green is cute. Okay. And y'all heard Mickey Mouse in the back, of course, right? And some gray sweats. These t-shirts are all from Oshkosh, like they was marked down. So yeah, I would have got a lot too. Look at that. He was smart to get that. Cause y'all know that one and that one. And that one. And that's it. That's it for his little haul. Cute little things. Oh, he got some new shoes too. He got these shoes because he needed something to go with everything. He always get new shoes, but yeah. But at least these match. I'll probably get him some more white forces really, really soon because, you know, sometimes black shoes don't even go with everything. So, hi guys. I haven't been on here since Saturday, and today is Tuesday. And I'm finna close out the vlog here. First, I'm gonna show y'all I'm just making me some turkey legs in the crock pot. They look good, honey. Yeah. Making some turkey legs in there. And I got me some greens. I already washed them and they cut up. So, yeah. Okay, you guys, until next time. I ain't showing y'all how to make this because I already showed y'all how to make this on another one. So, got to go before I get copyrighted. Bye. Say hi. Oh! Say hi. What you want to say hi to them? Say hi. Say like, comment, subscribe, because I'm a vibe. Say that. Oh, you want to come see it? Come here. Come see it real quick. Okay, never mind. Anyway. Peace out.